How to make your Android phone screen never turn off. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So when you go to device settings and go to display and brightness, now scroll down and tap on auto screen off. As you can see, there is no option to select never turn off your screen. So in order to do that, go back to your home screen. Open up Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on search. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for keep screen on. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the application screen stay awake. Now tap on install and wait for some time. Now once you install this application, tap on open. Now give the required permissions. Now enable the toggle for always screen on. Now on this menu page, select screen on and enable this toggle. Now go back. Again tap on the toggle and go back to your home screen. Now when you go to settings, now scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Again scroll down. I will select 15 seconds. Now go back to your home screen. As you can see, I am not touching my screen here. As you can see, it's been 15 seconds and my screen is still awake. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.